Hello, everyone. I'm Rob Thomas with American Golfer, and I'm here to tell you a little something about GroovyGuyGifts.com. Well, we've done GroovyGuyGifts.com, right? Remember the Groovy Gopher? Awesome, right? Fantastic, great head covers. And they have more head covers as well. Well, Groovy Guy Gifts just recently sent us another package. So we're going to open it up and show you what's inside here. And inside is an engraved cooler, right? Look at that thing. It looks fantastic. Terrific. This thing will hold 12 bottles of beer. We'll put that to a test. Also, 18 cans of beer. So whether you're playing 18 or 9 holes, this thing, throw it in the back of the cooler in the cart. Fits nicely in there, I bet. Keep you cool, keep you hydrated. It's got a top padded handle, which is right there. It's got adjustable shoulder strap. Very nice. And this front pocket, put a bottle opener in there, or store your bottles after you delete beers, right? One after another, throw them in there. You don't want to throw those on the ground. And there's not always a garbage can nearby. Very handy, right? This is beautiful. Got my initials and some golf clubs on it. We've talked about this. Groovy Guy Gifts, Groovy Groomsmen Gifts, all kinds of engraved product. Flasks, decanters, you name it, they've got it. Well, there's also something for the ladies, right? They also sent us another package. This one is bridesmaidgiftsboutique.com. bridesmaidgiftsboutique.com. Check them out, because we want to leave the ladies alone, right? We want to give the ladies something to enjoy as well. And that is going to come in the form of a baseball cap. Baseball caps are very handy, very useful, whether you're on the golf course, whether you are poolside. Let's say you're at a bachelorette party. Everybody's going to want to wear themselves a cool hat. Look at that. This one's going to go to my beautiful bride. It's got her initials on it and everything. TLT. She is gorgeous, and she's going to love this hat. Gorgeous hat, right? The hats come in black, white, or navy, and the text comes in gold foil, silver foil, or rose gold foil. There's also glitter gold or glitter silver. Yeah, that's glittery. That is something sharp, right? Check them out. 6-panel, low profile, not gonna be all boxy. It already comes with a pre-curved visor. On the back, none of those goofy snaps, right? Or Velcro is gonna wear off. This is a fabric tri-glide buckle closure, and the excess just tucks right in here. That is a nice looking hat. Thank you. The ladies are going to appreciate it. Get them for everybody in the bridal party. One after another. I can see a whole line of ladies poolside or in their beautiful gowns on the special day. Bridesmaidgiftsboutique.com. Check them out. There's also GroovyGuyGifts.com and GroovyGroomsmenGifts.com. Everybody's taken care of, ladies included. Have a great day and stay well. Bye-bye now.